Hello, David here, and the project for today is programming a remote device for this Chamberlain garage door opener. This is a model WD962 KEV, the belt drive with battery backup. It also is similar to these other models. From what I could tell, the remote can either be programmed at the keypad here, or it can be programmed up at the motor, which has a learn button there, but I'd rather do it here. This is more convenient. This is the remote I have. It's a Chamberlain model 953 EV. Looks like that. It's a 3-button remote, of course. I got this on Amazon. It's not a knockoff, it's from Chamberlain, and it does come with a battery. So I did have to climb up to the motor because you have to know what color learn button you have. So this one has a yellow learn button. It's right there. The typeface for the instructions are really tiny, but there's 2 sets of instructions. This side is for model number 956, and this side is for number 953. Now that I know the learn button, I could study the instructions. Okay, let's go through the process. Press and hold the program button on the remote until the LED on the front turns on. Okay, that's on. Press and hold the button you wish to use the number of times it corresponds with the color of the learn button. The yellow learn button is 1 time. Okay. To exit programming mode, press any remote button except for the one you program. Okay, so I'll push number 3. Press and release the learn button on the garage door opener. The learn LED will light within 30 seconds. Okay, going up on the ladder. Press the remote control button programmed in step 2 until the garage door opener lights flash or 2 clicks are heard. Okay. I don't see anything flashing. To test, press the program button on the remote control. Nothing's happening. Gonna have to run through this again. I ran through it again and now it's working. The reason why it didn't work the first time is in this step. Can't see it. Step number 5. After you click the learn button up on the motor, up atop, and then you click the remote, the light didn't flash off. This light up there on the motor didn't turn off and then on again. So second time I did it, I pushed the remote, the light turned on and off again, and then I pushed the remote again and the door closed. So there we have it. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.